Medicago sativa, one of the alfalfa plant, Medicago sativa, in which also leaves and they carry the symbiotic. But rhodospirillum is not, so that here it is a wrong option. So B1 is the wrong option. You have to consider the right option as a second one. The disease caused by an autosomal primary non-disjunction. Non-disjunction. So they have given like all types of diseases like Downey, Klinefelter, sickle cell, Turner. So that in which non-disjunction, the disease is Downey syndrome. Downey syndrome is the right option. First one. Thalassemia and sickle cell anemia are caused due to a problem in globin molecule synthesis. Select the correct statement. Thalassemia is due to less synthesis of globin molecules. So thalassemia is a due to less synthesis of globin molecules. So three options. Which one from those given below is the period of Mendel's hybridization experiments? Mendel's hybridization experiments. The period between 1856 to 1863. Option 1. The genotype of a husband and wife are 1A, 1B, that is 1A and sorry. Capital A, capital IA, capital IB, and capital IA and small I. Among the blood type of their children's, how many different genotype and phenotypes are possible? So for this, the answer is 4 genotypes and 3 phenotypes. 4 genotypes and 3 phenotypes. So among the following characteristics, which one is not considered as a Mendel in his experiment on P? So stem tall and dwarf, okay. Seed green and yellow, okay. Pod inflated, constricted, okay. So B is the right option. Why? Because it is not in his characters. He selected 7 pairs. Among B is not there. So that B is the second one. Option is the correct one. So match the following sexually transmitted diseases and their causative agent. Causative agents. So syphilis, gonorrhea, genetical warts. So this is very important in the competitive exams also. So let us take Gonorrhea, Neisseria gonorrhea, syphilis, Treponema pallidum. Oh, sorry. So B. Okay. AIDS when you take HIV means D. I right. See, human papilloma virus, genital warts. So A2. So the first option is the right one. Gonorrhea, Neisseria gonorrhea, syphilis, Treponema pallidum, genital warts, immunopapilloma virus, AIDS, HIV, human immunodeficiency virus. So A option is the right one. So the functions of copper ions in copper releasing IUDs is they suppress the sperm motility and fertilize capacity of sperms. Option A is the right one. So the functions of copper, so here they inhibit first one option already I said. So so 82 one option answer already we discussed. Now 83. So the 83 the functions of copper ions releasing copper. They suppresses sperm motility, fertilize capacity of sperms. Option A, right one. So in case of couple where the male is having a very low sperm count, which technique will be suitable for fertilization? So artificial insemination. Artificial insemination so is the correct one. So a dioecious flowering plant prevent both dioecious. So autogamy, geitonogamy, autogamy, geitonogamy it prevent. So the right option is B, that is 2. Flowers which have single ovule in the ovary and are packed into inflorescence are usually pollinated by single ovule having plants which pollinate by the wind, by the wind. Double fertilization is exhibited by angiosperms. Angiosperms. Direct question answer. That is angiosperms exhibit double fertilization along with the triple fission. Along with the triple fission. Homozygous pure line in cattle can be obtained by mating of related individual of same breed. Option 1. Artificial selection to obtain cows yielding higher milk output represent directional as it pushes the mean of the character in one direction. So B is the right option. The water potential of pure water is very excellent question. It is already in second year botany, first one. So always the pure water potential is 0. A.